o'clock on the dot. It's 11 o'clock on the dot. Fuck, I never know what to say on the intro. On the intro. So here we go. I'm spitting real, wondering will it get me far? Cause all people seem to like is money and cars. Your real spitters always get pushed down. Guess that's why the underground has the best sound. The whole town wanna hear trap rap. Feeling like I'm alone in the 90s boom bap. J Dilla type shit. Should I get with the times? Now forget all of that. Watch me take what's mine. I refuse to lose, that's why I'm hard-headed. Watch all these MCs get straight shredded. Harmonic symphonies so you can vibe to. Creating paths so I can make my way through this rap shit, giving it so much thought. Countless hours writing, giving it all that I got. Looking up at the time, it's 11 o'clock on the dot. On the dot. 11 o'clock, never stop. 11 o'clock, right on the dot. 11 o'clock, I'm reaching the top. Type of flow that'll put your body in shock. I said 11 o'clock, never stop. 11 o'clock, right on the dot. 11 o'clock, I'm reaching the top. Got the type of flow to put your body in shock. Check this rap shit, man, I swear it's absurd. It's got originality, something that you haven't heard. I kick them to the curb and I'm on my own, but keeping it competitive helps me stay on the throne. You say you make a noise, I'ma lower your tone. I'm old school like Rome, but I'm from the 9-6. You never winning like the New York Knicks. If your track sounds bad, I'm probably a quick fix. You sound salty, and I'm the pepper, adding a little spice. Heard your new song, it's worse than Vanilla Ice. Elementary rhymes, what you saying? Sophisticated lines, what I'm spraying. No delay in the pause, toss a critic aside. This is my game, and now you have to abide. Wide variety of flows, me blowing up. Well,